So today we're going to take a look at using an OR statement in Excel. This could be a very useful statement. You want to check like if a condition is one or the other, and it only has to have one to equal a true or a false. So in this case we have our test case scenario here, and this is basically we have students and they get 2 tries at like a test, and they have to get 70 to pass. So how would we write this formula? We're going to type in equals, we're going to type in OR, and we're going to open our brackets up for our testing, and we're going to click our first one. We want it to be greater than or equal to 70, and then we're going to put a comma to do our second logical test, and we're going to click on the cell next to it, C2, and we're going to ask that again. We want it to be greater than or equal to 70. We're going to close off the formula, and it should return a false, which it has because neither of those is 70. If we change one to 70, let's say, or like even 75 to prove the thing, you'll see that it changes to true because it only needs one of these to be thing. So it's either, this one or this one. If we pull this formula down to see what it does to the rest of the data set, you'll see that same thing happens again. Not a 70 on the 5 row, so therefore it's a false. Same on the next row, false. Well, this row you can see we have a 70. Even if we change like one down here, it's like 8, still going to return a true on this line because 1 is 70. So that's just basically how you do an OR statement. If you want to check out my channel for other functions, we're slowly building an Excel repository of knowledge. Thanks for watching guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.